YouTube family, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you don't miss any future videos. And let's get into this video. All the products that I'm showing right now, I will have linked down below in the description box so you don't miss out on what products I am using. I wanted to show you guys my pre-parts. This mirror here is a true blessing when it comes to parting the back of your hair because you really can't see too well. But overall, it came out pretty nice. It literally took me 3 days to do this. So first day, of course, parting. Second day, it took me at least 6 hours to get at least 3/4 of my head done. And then this part here where I just wanted to share how I was wrapping and adding in the human hair pieces to my locks.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months.
I did end up running out of the Afro Marley hair. So I had to start using the Cuban twist hair, model, and yeah. And then here I'm just separating the human hair pieces. I gelled down the ends where I cut off the weft, gelled them down. And then when I'm adding the human hair to the lock that I'm forming, I do wrap around it 3 times or enough to cover up the piece so that it does not slip. Now I've had this hair in for a few days now, and the hair I had about 2 strands maybe fall out because the strand was too thick. So when you do add in the hair, add in a small piece, not too thick of a piece because it will slip out. And if you want to crochet the hair in, the human hair or whatever type of blend of hair you want to use, you can crochet it in the lock. You can glue it in. Once you have it in the lock, you can glue it as well. But whatever your preference is, just go with it. The hair turned out pretty dope. First time doing this whole thing myself. I've never had this done in my head before, but I got the idea from a fellow YouTuber that I've seen, so I'll probably link them below. But yeah, I'll let y'all enjoy the rest of the video.
In the meantime, just some me time. In the meantime, just some me time. Maybe I'll love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need muscle, fuck my wealth.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit. You weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you. 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 But I want you. Everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should've figured though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it.
focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy or broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone, and that don't cause I think, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up, yeah. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me? dress, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child. And then won't lay today, make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm gonna tell myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on the scene. Think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you didn't got left by one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost your mind. Long say call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause a house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out to life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. You keep wasting my time, you keep wasting my time.
Cozy.
I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I bet if I give all my love, then nothing's gonna tear us apart.
As always, guys, I do thank you for watching my videos and tuning in. And if you don't mind hitting that subscribe button, I am trying to hit a goal of 100 by the end of the year or exceed that goal. So your support is greatly appreciated. Thank you and happy holidays to you guys.
It's gonna tear us apart.
$8 might just fuck your main bitch. That's just how I feel. Nah. $8 might say fuck the